Okay, so what we're going to look at today is our home screen, which you have right now in Google Chrome. And the first thing that I want to do is this is going to show you how you're going to locate an image off the internet, and you're going to take that image and save it on your Google Drive so that you have the ability to locate it and then transfer it onto your wood as part of your project using our laser engraver. So the first thing I'm going to do is locate an image. So to do that, I'm just going to type a Google search, and let's use an image of the Phillies. So I'll type that in. And I'm also going to add the word clip art, which you can see up here. I'm going to use the word clip art because that is going to bring up a bunch of images rather than just doing a web search for items containing the Phillies. So then I click on images, and that's going to bring up all the options that you can find on the internet for Phillies logos. And there's going to be other things mixed in. So identify one you want. And what we'll do is, I seem to like the old style of Phillies logos, but that's not a full image. So you want to make sure the preview of the image looks like you want it to look in the end. This one's not horrible, but it's a little small. Okay, so you want to find an image that is obviously the image that you want, but it is also a quality image. So this one is actually pretty decent size, and this is the one I want. So what I need to do now is I need to save this image. So to do that, when I put my mouse over the image, it turns into a pointer. That tells me that I can now right click, which if you look at your mouse is on the right side, or it's going to be your middle finger. And if I click on that and scroll down to where it says save image as, I can click that, and this page will open up. Now in the blue text box at the bottom, you can type the name of it. So I'm going to type Phillies and then -P, so I know what it is. And you don't need to change where it is going to go. All you need to do now is click save, and that is saving it. And you can see it did download it and save it right in the bottom portion of your screen. So now the thing to understand is that the image is on our computer, and we need to take that and we need to get it onto our Google Drive. So I'm going to open a new window, and Google is my home screen. And now I need to log in. If you're not previously logged into Google, go ahead and do that. And then once you are logged in, you can see this icon in the top corner. It says Google Apps. When I put my cursor over it, I'm going to click on that, and it's going to bring up all of my apps that I can use throughout this entire screen. So what I want to do is I want to click on Google Drive, and that's going to open up my drive. Now all I need to do is drag my image from wherever it's located into my Google Drive, and I'll be able to have that wherever and whatever computer I log on to. So I'm going to go down in my left corner because it is still located, and I'm going to click and hold and drag it until it allows me to add it. And it's uploading, and now it tells me that it is complete. So in that case, all I did was drag it and drop it. Now, if you do not have your image located in the bottom left corner, it's still on your computer, and it's very easy to get to. You just simply need to click on the folder at the bottom, and you can see my cursor going right over it. I'm going to click that, and it's going to bring up this folder. This is called your Explorer. And if you don't know where your image is, it was a download. So you're going to click on Downloads. And the same process you did before, you can find your image, click and drag on it, and load it into your Google Drive. So now that that image is in your Google Drive, you can close out of your windows. I'm going to log out of my Google Drive, and I will be able to log back in on the computer connected to the laser engraver, so I can pull that image up and I'll be able to transfer it onto my project.